So I just came outside to check my pressure gauges. The TBX, or the gauge, the valve in the basement had frozen up, and then it sounds like the compressor shut off, because this is also a lot quieter. So I think the compressor shut off and just the fans running. It's my opinion, because the valve is now defrosting and dripping water. This started at 25 when the compressor was running, and this was at about 318. Now they've both moved, and valve is defrosting, and here's my temperature down here. And here's my typical subcooling. It's a little weird to me, so I think that the last day or two, or at least when I first came out here, this thing was nice and quiet, and I don't think the compressor was working. I don't know exactly what was going on, because when I came out here and hooked up my gauges, they were I don't remember. I took a picture of it, but they weren't where they are right now, that's for sure. So, thoughts or ideas on this would be great. If it's freezing up, is it overcharged?